Welcome to my channel, I'm Adelina. Today I'm going to show you how I plait my hair. Please like, subscribe and join our community, and if you have any questions, please put them in the comment down below. Let's connect, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. This channel is all about styling the hair, extensions and a little bit of personal development. I'm normally plaiting my hair on my third day of my washing cycle. I like to use a little bit of Plant Mineral Refresh, which is a dry shampoo, and I also use a medium hold styling paste. So I'm going to start using the Mineral Refresh. I'm going to put it on my roots. So I'm taking sections of hair and I like applying it at the roots, and then with my fingertips I'm just going to massage it into the hair, and that's going to help for my natural oils to kind of disappear. Really like this product because it's got a slightly mint smell that I really like, and it's not very heavy either, so it's a really light product. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to part my hair and all the way to the back in the nape area, so I have two sections. Medium hold styling paste to take away all the frizz, and also this is going to help me to manage the hair a lot easier, because the fluffier the hair and the cleaner the hair is actually harder to manage. So when it's got a little bit of styling product in, it's just going to be very easy to manage. I'm pretty much applying it on the whole section, all the way through from the top to the bottom. I also use my comb to distribute the product all the way down. And I'm going to start my plait from the top of my head, top of my forehead, and I'm taking the section. I'm going to split this section in 3 strands of hair. So I've got the 3 strands of hair, 1, 2, 3, and I'm just going to start plaiting. This is just a normal plait, a normal 3-strand plait. And I'm just gonna, each time I'm moving down, I'm gonna take a little bit of the hair from the underneath or from the side, really, but it's always from the next section, really. And I wanna make it a little bit tighter as well, because I want it to last. So I'm taking one new section from the underneath, and it goes onto one side of the section, and then a little bit more hair from underneath again. It goes over, and then again new hair from the underneath goes over the other section. So I'm always working with 3 strands of hair. I'm always having 3 strands of hair, but the new hair is going to go into, it's going to be combined. The new hair from the underneath is going to be combined with my section from above. So always, as I'm moving down, I'm always taking a little bit of hair from the underneath. And so I'm creating a plait by doing that. So as you can see from the underneath, I'm just going to take the section, it's going over my previous section, and at this point I can't really see what I'm doing, but I can feel it. I can feel the hair, and I can feel how much I'm taking with my fingers, so how much from the underneath. So if I'm taking like quite a small section, I can take a little bit more. And then The hair is always, new hair from the underneath is combined with my 3-strand plaits. The more you do it, the better you become at it. Practice makes perfect. And this is with everything. Styling the hair or doing an updo. So now what I'm doing, I'm just using a little bit of clear elastic to secure the plait. So this is a style that I use when I go to the gym or even in the salon. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.